Presenting the 2009 Audi S5. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Pamper yourself with memory settings. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.